Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to clean the Nintendo Switch 1 after 7 years of usage. So let's get started. I'm just going to remove the controller. Then simply simply that. So it's really dusty. No way the switch. Oh yeah, it's dusty. Oh, wait, what? They put thermal paste here? What the hell is that? Literally a piece of thermal paste. So to open this thing, you literally have to do that. Don't worry, you won't break it. I just did it and it's not broken. You can see how dusty it is. We just do that. Push it, push it, push it. Yes, and there we go. It's not broken, kinda, but yeah, connectable. Just push the fan in. It connects by itself. Of course, we cannot forget thermal paste, our friend. Let's do a next pattern. Like, that's my favorite pattern. Yeah, that's the next. And we put the excess thermal paste on the heatsink for better heat conductivity. We got here. Okay, so I gotta put thermal paste again, like here. Wait, just to be sure, just to make sure, like I mean the good position. We put it here, the thermal paste. Big chunk of thermal paste. Bruh. Oh, that's. I think I put a lot. You can just put back the pause. The moment you had just seen was fatal to the SD card that was underneath the cover. You know why? Because when I pressed, I applied too much pressure, and that made the SD card being broken. Here's an image of it. Don't ever do what I've just done. We've lost 128 gigabytes of data. The back plate, I think. Wait, can I? Come on. Alright. So now we can just put the screws back. If it still works, it's a success. And it does. Doesn't. Yeah, it works. Perfectly fine. And the SD card works. Like, yeah, for real. It works. Right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no. I don't know if you can see, but this is the SD card, and it's broken. Like, it's broken into 2 pieces. Well, I guess thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. So, bye.